Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to access the Layers panel in Canva. This makes it easy to manage and organize elements in your design. This feature helps us select, reorder, and edit objects more efficiently, especially when working with complex layouts. Now, on your Canva dashboard, to access your layout, simply right-click on the page. Here, you will see your Layers option. Click the Show Layers option. As you can see, all the elements that have been added are now visible. We can access them right here. We can edit them as needed. Here, we can adjust our layers according to our preferences. That is how we access and use the Layers panel in Canva. With better control over our elements, we can create more organized and professional designs.